When we have selected the calculated table XYSS, we have access to all the visualizations inside of the module. For this version of Qualitools, we only have one visualization. We press the button Spatial Distribution, and the visualization template SPAS will be inserted, in which the first graph we can visualize the data or observations in green and concentric circles that represent the zones. In this template, each zone is a multiplier of the standard distance. In the bottom part, Qualitools show us the percentage of observations inside of each zone. The second graph is the distance vector. In this graph, we can observe the magnitude of the vectors with respect to each observation, and is very useful to detect patterns, anomalies, or outliers. Lastly, Qualitools show us an histogram of the distance vector, in which we can visualize that the data is skewed to the left, or in this case, towards 0. This confirms that the variable is randomly distributed around the centroid. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.